Children, myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject ENV looking around. I hope you all are safe at home. Do you know where we live? We all need a place to live in. The place we live in is called a house. House protect us from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. All living things need a shelter, but all live in different places. Like horse live in stable, cow live in a cow shed, lion live in a cave, birds live in nest, ant live in ant hill, rabbit live in burrow, fish live in a water, dog live in a kennel, bee live in a hive, etc. Do you know why do we need a house? Our house protects us from heat and cold. It gives us shelter from rain and storm. It protects us from thieves. It protects us from animals. Do you know who made our house? Yes, our helpers like architect help to make the design of our house. Mason help to join the bricks and cement and builds our house. Carpenter make wooden furnitures for it. Plumber helps to make the pipeline fitting in it. Electrician help to do the electrical fitting in it. Painter help to paint the walls of our house. Gardener helps to maintain our garden by watering the plants and growing new plants. Family member help to keep clean. Without help of other, we never build our house. There are different kinds of house like big and small. Bungalow building are called big house and hut is called a small house. There are two kinds of house, Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house are mostly found in village like hut and Pakka house mostly found in city area like bungalow, row house, multi-storied building, etc. Look, here Kacha houses. Kacha houses are made from grass, mud, wood, straw, dry leaves, bamboo, cow dung. It is not very strong. Look here. Pakka houses are made from different kinds of materials like brick, iron rods, stones, grass, cement, wood, etc. It is very strong. We use different kinds of house in different places in a climate condition of that area. We see hut in village, houses on stilts in Assam, multi-storied building in big cities. Caravan, this house go one place to another place. It is movable house. That's why it is called caravan. House with a sloping roof. Bhunga, we see in Kutch. Igloo, houseboat we see in Kashmir. It is also movable house. Tent mostly we use when we go for camp, picnic, etc. Now look here. We live in a house. But which kind of house we like to live in? Obviously, we like second number house because it is clean and neat. First number house is very dirty. A dirty house invites and keeps negative energy. But a clean house brings positive energy. So always you have to keep your house neat and clean. There are different kinds of rooms in our house, like bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, drawing room, etc. So today we learn lesson number 16, My House, a house like this. In this lesson, many children have come from many places for the camp at Srinagar in Nasim school. There is lot of activity. This camp for a week. Tent have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. We have decorated the school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Some have made posters using almond shells, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. Today is the first day of the camp. We are very happy. In the morning, we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. Each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat. Children also brought pictures of their families and their homes. Everyone spoke about their homes. Each and every person's homes are different according to condition of climate where they live. Bhupens introduced himself and said, I have come from Molan village in Assam. It rains heavily in our places. Hence our houses are made of almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on strong bamboo pillars. The inside of our houses are also made of wood. Why are houses made on bamboo pillar where Bhupen live? In Assam, where Bhupen lives, it rains a lot. So to save the houses from flooding away, the houses are made on bamboo pillars. A ladder there for people to get in and out. At night the ladder is removed to be safe from animal. Now the next question is that what kind of roofs do these houses have? Why are they made like this? These houses have sloping roofs so that the rainwater can slide off very easily and doesn't get collected on top of the roof. How does one enter this house? So we know that the people enter this house with the help of a small foldable ladders. Now the next question is that at night the ladder is removed from these houses. Can you tell why? Yes, the ladder is removed to prevent harmful animals to enter the house at night. Now look here. Now the turn of Chamelis. She said, I have come from Manali, which is a hilly area at our place. It rains heavily and snows as well when it is very cold. We like to sit in the sun. Our houses are made of stone or wood. So in which area is Chameli's house? So obviously we know that Chameli's house is in Manali, which is a hilly area. What is the similarity in the roof of Chameli's and Bhupen's house? So we know that both the houses have slanting roof so that the rain or snow can slide off easily. How do roofs help in their area? Such roofs does not allow rain or snow to get collected on the roof. Now the turn of Mitali and Anuj. They said that we have come from Delhi. They showed picture of Delhi to everyone in one picture seeing very high building. Bhupen said, "Oh, such tall houses. How do you climb up?" So we obviously know that they use the lift to up in a multi-storied building. New Delhi is the capital of India. People from village and towns come to big city like Delhi in search of work. These people often settle in the city. There are a large number of people living here and the space is less. So some person are homeless. Many people do not have house at all. They have to live in slums and many people do not have that either. People sleep wherever they find place, on the road, on the footpath, at the station. Indeed, shelter is a major problem in big city. Now the turn of Kansiram. He told everyone that I have come from Rajasthan. Rainfall is very scarce. Scarce means little in our area. It is very hot too. We live in mud houses. The wall of the house are very thick. These walls are plastered with mud. The roof are made of thorny bushes. In the same way, all the groups spoke about their houses. After the introduction, a cultural program was held. The children performed various dances. They sang folk songs in their own languages. Everybody had kava with almond and cardamom. We already enjoyed ourselves. In the evening, we all went to the dark lake. We saw a houseboat. We sat in a shikara and some children moved the oars. We saw the Char Chinari surrounded by the blue mountain. Now look here. How is a houseboat different from other house? So already we know that a houseboat is a house made over a boat. It keeps floating on water and can move, whereas other house stay at one place. Now would you like to live in such a house? Why? Yes, I would surely love to live in such a house, as it would be so different and exciting. Now look here, matching. The first picture is house of snow, igloo. The second picture is houseboat. Now third is multi-storied building. Fourth is a tent and last is a hut. Here the picture with answer. Houseboat, house of snow, igloo, hut, multi-storied building and tent. Now look here. Put the tick on the name of things which your house is made of. So our house is made of wood, cement, iron, brick and stone. The next question is that look at the houses in your neighborhood. What are they made of? Make a list. So our neighbor house is made of cement, brick, stone, iron rod, glass, etc. Now look here, you have to select the best option. Houses in hilly area are made of stone or wood. Caravan are movable houses. It rains heavily all over the state is Assam. The villagers of Rajasthan lived in houses made of mud in earlier days. Igloos are made of snow. Now we learn the true or false. Kacha houses are very strong. So we know that kacha houses are not strong. It is weak. So our answer is false. Now next. Early men lived in caves. So this answer is true. Assam is a state with scarcity of rain. So it is false. A house protects us from rain and wind. So it is right. Birds live in house made by humans. So it is false. Now Phillips. We can many houseboat on the Dal Lake in Kashmir. A caravan is a house on wheel. A house made from bricks, stone and cement is called a permanent house. The roof of a house depends upon the weather condition of that area. Stilt houses are found in Assam. Now look here, odd one out. Here, number 1, cement, plumb line, trowel, dustbin and clay. So dustbin is not belong to this group, so we out from this group. Now next, rain, river, water, air and snow. So air is not belong in this group, so we out from the group. Electrician, painter, doctor, carpenter and mason. So doctor is not belong to in this group. Now next, igloo, caravan, flat, car and hut. So car is not belong in this group. Trees, shades, flats, ice, burrows. So ice is not belong in this group, so we odd out from this group. Now next, answer in one word or one sentence. Where can multi-storied building be found? In big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, etc. we can see multi-storied buildings. Number 2. Shikaras can be found in which state of India? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next number. What is a house standing on wooden planks called? So answer is stilt house. Number 4. Why do many people in Delhi live in slums? Houses in Delhi are very costly, so the poor people live in slums. Now last, why are houses in hills built with sloping roofs? Answer, roofs are sloping so that the snow and rain can slide off easily. Now the next, think, find and write. Number 1, a clean and well decorated house is liked by all. Which kind of house would you like to live in? Fill in the detail in the following. Name 4 things which will be used to keep the house clean. So we use the broom, mop, water and disinfectant liquid. Number 2, who all will help to keep our house clean? So all the family members help each other to keep the house clean. Number 3, give 3 reasons why you want the house to be clean and well decorated. So our answer is that we stay healthy in a clean home. We clean the house when some guests come to our house. We also clean house during festival and occasion. Now imagine you are getting your own house constructed. What will be the material used for construction of your house? So we use the bricks, sand, cement, iron rods, glass for windows, etc. Now B, material used in decoration of your house. So we use the flower, lights, streamers, flower vase, showpieces, etc. Next, wood will be used in many houses for making furniture, window frames, cupboards, etc. Now find out and write why we see multi-storied building and flats in cities and towns but not in village. So we already know that multi-storied buildings and flats are very costly to buy, which is people living in city can afford whereas in village people do not have a lots of money. Now next question. Find out and write how people go up to the higher floors in multi-storied building. Is there more than one method? If so, describe both the method. People can make the steps and also the lift to go up to the higher floors in multi-storied building. Now next, find out and write how a houseboat and caravan are different from normal house. Normal house in the city cannot move and are fixed at one place, whereas houseboat can float on water and move, and caravan also can move with the help of wheels. So thanks for watching my video.